There's huge demand for allergy-friendly recipes, and we're so excited to be launching the Living Free From YouTube channel.
Whether it be gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, vegan, or even FODMAP-friendly, we've got recipes to cover every different allergy and more. And we've also drafted in our good friend Courtney. She couldn't be with us today, but she's called in from Sydney. And Courtney, we're going to start off with one of your recipes. What are we cooking?
Today we're making a favourite with everybody, a superfood chicken schnitzel. So I think it's a good one for the kids, good one for the adults. It's a pub favourite. We're going to give it a nice little healthy homemade twist up.
Nice.
I love this, Courtney.
All right, so put us to work, Court. What do you want us to do first?
All right, so there's some chicken thigh fillets on the bench there.
Yep.
Michael, I can see you've got a mallet there in front of you, ready to get some stress out.
Nice.
We just want to bash the chicken thighs out just to about a centimetre, Michael.
Nice.
Jenny, if you could break a couple of eggs into a bowl for me. Perfect, Michael.
Beautiful.
So, Michael, that's going to make sure the chicken thighs cook really evenly. They're the same thickness all the way through.
Beautiful.
So, Danny, we need a couple of eggs broken into a bowl, and we're putting in about half a teaspoon of turmeric.
Okay.
Turmeric's going to give us a great golden colour as the schnitzels are cooking. You would know, Danny, they have some great anti-inflammatory benefits as well in the turmeric. So it's giving us some colour and it's giving us some health benefits as well.
Great. And what are we making our schnitzel crumb with? I've got a few exciting things here.
We're going to be using a mixture of almond meal.
Yeah,
so I need you, Danny, to put about a cup of almond meal into a bowl.
Yeah.
We need about 3/4 of a cup of chia seeds.
Okay, nice. Now, why chia seeds, Courts?
They give us a great crunch to the outside of our schnitzel, and that's what schnitzel's really about, that crunchy outside texture.
Totally.
The chia seeds have some omega-3s in there as well.
Beautiful.
And I think it's fun for about 4 hours after the recipe to try and pick them out of your teeth.
I was going to say that.
I've also got desiccated coconut. Is that
some coconut as well.
Oh,
So we're
nice.
doing a SLAW to go with our schnitzel today that's going to have some lime in it as well. So I think the coconut and lime work well.
Perfect.
I just think a little bit of salt. I think these three things give us some good texture and some colour, and it's just something really different than a regular schnitzel.
I love it. It's such a great idea. I love the coconut as well, just a bit of sweetness too.
All right, should we get our crumb on?
We can get our crumb on, guys. We're going to go chicken into the eggs and then into our crumb mix. All right, guys, my favourite thing to have with a schnitzel is a really fresh and crunchy slaw. Now, not your regular coleslaw. We've got some apple chopped up in a bowl there. We've got some cabbage cut up as well. And this is a bit of an interesting one. Kids love eating the trees off the broccoli.
The trees
and the stalks often get left behind. They're really delicious raw in this slaw. So if you guys just want to cut that into kind of julienne, or you could run it through a grater, whatever's easy.
I might start cooking the schnitzels, Court.
Yeah, we should have some oil there, Michael, at about 160, 170 degrees.
We do indeed.
And you can get on with the frying of them.
I love that crumb mixture. I'm so excited to taste it.
Add the apple in, Court.
We can add in our broccoli, apple, and our cabbage.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got some dressing here as well, Courtney. Looks like some mayonnaise. Is it yogurt?
Yeah, we've got some yogurt. So these are just some really easy ingredients that you can get in at your Coles supermarket. I think we'll use just about a tablespoon of mayonnaise.
Okay.
We've got a tablespoon of Greek yogurt as well, some lime juice. If you didn't have lime, you could use lemon or just some vinegar as well.
Yeah.
And we should have a bit of maple syrup as well, Danny, in there, just to kind of balance up that sour yogurt and that lime juice.
Courtney, those schnitzels are looking golden brown and delicious. Have a look
Done
at
a
that
great job
guy.
there, Michael.
That looks so good.
You happy with that?
They look very, very good.
Yeah, beautiful.
Okay, and the slaw is nearly done. I'm just going to add in the parsley, and then in goes the dressing.
Yes.
Yum, that looks divine.
So, Court, I've just got a bit of paper just to catch any excess oil. Do you want a bit of salt on them?
Season with a bit of salt, yes. Yep.
And I'm going to pick the best schnitzel because I reckon that one's the one, because I'll be eating this one. Nice pile on the side.
So good.
Mound of slaw, crispy, crunchy.
Schnitty.
Superfood schnitty.
Superfood, exactly.
Superfood schnitty, yeah.
Courtney, tick of approval from you?
11 out of 10, Danny and Michael.
We've nailed it.
Do we get to try now?
Please try it. It's a great recipe, relatively cheap to make, easy to find ingredients. I think it really is a winner with big kids and little kids at home.
Right, the taste test.
Yes, let's do it.
I so wish I could dive through the phone now and eat some of that.
Oh, that crumb is delicious, Court. Crunchy. There's little pops of chia.
And a little bit of sweetness from the
yum.
coconut. That thigh is delicious. It's kind of really moist, tender. That is a winner.
If you guys want to cook this recipe at home, make sure you join the Free From and Allergy Facebook group.
And of course, there are many more videos to come, so please subscribe to the Living Free From YouTube channel. And I tell you what, I'm going in for another bite.
I'm having more of this.
You guys are not going to save me any of this, are you?
Here you go. Nah, just joking.
I wish you were here, kind of.
So do I. Good job, guys. Recipe looked great.